Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video breaks down the topic in a simple and easy to follow way so you can understand the key points without any confusion. Think of it this way. Sugarcane juice is still a sweet drink, but it brings a little extra nutrition compared with a regular soft drink that only has sugar and flavorings. Potential health benefits, energy, hydration, and more. Because sugarcane juice is rich in simple carbs, it can give quick energy. That can help after a workout, when your body needs to refill its energy stores. During heavy physical work and hot weather. When you feel low on energy and need a short boost. The high water content helps with hydration, especially in the heat. Some people find they drink more fluid if it tastes good, so a small glass can help you get more liquid in. Sugarcane juice also works as a mild diuretic for some people. It may help you pee a bit more, which can support kidney function when you are well hydrated. The antioxidants in the juice might help protect your cells from everyday damage. Research is still limited, and most studies are small, but early findings suggest it may have some protective effects. The main benefit in real life often comes from this simple swap. If you drink sugarcane juice instead of soda or energy drinks, you avoid many additives and get a more natural source of sugar and some extra nutrients. Risks and who should be careful with sugarcane juice. All that sweetness comes with some downsides. Sugarcane juice is high in sugar and calories. Large servings can lead to weight gain over time if you do not balance it with your activity. Because the sugar is absorbed quickly, your blood sugar can spike and then crash. People who should be careful include anyone with diabetes or prediabetes. People with insulin resistance. Those with fatty liver or high triglycerides. If you are in one of these groups, check with your doctor before drinking sugarcane juice often. Hygiene is another concern. Street vendors may reuse ice, skip cleaning their machines, or handle money in cups without washing hands. This can raise the risk of stomach infections. To protect yourself, choose vendors who use clean, clear ice. Wash or rinse the juicer often. Use fresh, clean glasses or disposable cups. When in doubt, making it at home with clean tools and safe water is the safer choice. How to drink sugarcane juice in a healthy way. You do not have to cut sugarcane juice out of your life to stay healthy. Small changes in how and when you drink it can make a big difference. Smart serving sizes and how often to enjoy it. Portion size matters more than most people think. A good serving for many adults is about one small glass, around 6 to 8 ounces. This gives you a nice taste and energy lift without piling on too much sugar at once. Try these simple habits. Treat sugarcane juice as an occasional drink, not a daily habit. Use it as a post-workout drink or hot day treat, not a replacement for water. Sip it slowly rather than gulping a large cup. Pay attention to how your body feels after you drink it. If you feel sleepy, jittery or very hungry a short time later, that can be a sign that the sugar hit you too hard. That's everything for this part. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.